Are you okay? Are you okay? Ou en forme? Ou en forme? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Ki jan ou santi ou? Ki jan ou santi ou? I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Mwen pa santi mwen bien. Mwen pa santi mwen bien. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? Ki jan ou santi ou jodi ya? Ki jan ou santi ou jodi ya? Not so well. Not so well. Pas trop bien. Pas trop bien. What's the matter? What's the matter? Ki sa ki problem nan? Ki sa ki problem nan? What's wrong? What's wrong? Ki problem ou? Ki problem ou? Don't worry. I'll be fine. Don't worry. I'll be fine. Pa inquiete ou. Map vin bien. Pa inquiete ou. Map vin bien. I don't feel very well. I don't feel very well. Mwen pa santi mwen tre bien. Mwen pa santi mwen tre bien. I feel sick. I feel sick. Mwen santi mwen malade. Mwen santi mwen malade. I am sick. I'm sick. Mwen malade. Mwen malade. I feel terrible today. I feel terrible today. Mwen santi mwen pa bon mem jodi ya. Mwen santi mwen pa bon mem jodi ya. I have a cold. I have a cold. Mwen gen yon fwedi. Mwen gen yon fwedi. My gum bleeds when I'm brushing my teeth. My gum bleeds when I'm brushing my teeth. Jansiv mwen senyen le mwen ap brose dan mwen. Jansiv mwen senyen le mwen ap brose dan mwen. I have a headache. I have a headache. Mwen gen tet fe mal. Mwen gen tet fe mal. I have toothache. I have toothache. Mwen gen dan fe mal. Mwen gen dan fe mal. I have a swollen foot. I have a swollen foot. Mwen gen yon pied enflé. Mwen gen yon pied enflé. I have migraine. I have migraine. Mwen gen migraine. Mwen gen migraine. I have high blood pressure. I have high blood pressure. Mwen gen tension wou. Mwen gen tension wou. I have low blood pressure. I have low blood pressure. Mwen gen tension ba. Mwen gen tension ba. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. Mwen gen tet vire. Mwen gen tet vire. I feel depressed. I feel depressed. Mwen santi mwen deprime. Mwen santi mwen deprime. Mwen santi mwen deprime. I have a stuffy nose. I have a stuffy nose. Mwen gen nen bouché. Mwen gen nen bouché. I have shortness of breath. I have shortness of breath. Mwen gen souf kout. Mwen gen souf kout. I have backache. I have backache. Mwen gen do fè mal. Mwen gen do fè mal. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Mwen gen l'estomac fè mal. Mwen gen l'estomac fè mal. My knee hurts. My knee hurts. Genou mwen fè mwen mal. Genou mwen fè mwen mal. I have a sore back. I have a sore back. Mwen gen do fè mal. Mwen gen do fè mal. I have a back pain. I have a back pain. Mwen gen doulè nan do. Mwen gen doulè nan do. I have a cough. I have a cough. Mwen gen yon tous. Mwen gen yon tous. The doctor prescribed me backache medicine. The doctor prescribed me backache medicine. Dokter te prescrit mwen médicament pour dos fè mal. Dokter te prescrit mwen médicament pour dos fè mal. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. Mwen gen gorge fè mal. Mwen gen gorge fè mal. It's killing me. It's killing me. Li ap tou yem. Li ap tou yem. She has a fever today. She has a fever today. Li gen fièvre jodi ya. Li gen fièvre jodi ya. I'd like to see a doctor. I'd like to see a doctor. Mwen ta reme wè yon dokter. Mwen ta reme wè yon dokter. I'd like to book an appointment to see the doctor. I'd like to book an appointment to see the doctor. Mwen ta reme pran yon rendez-vous pou mwen wè dokter ya. Mwen ta reme pran yon rendez-vous pou mwen wè dokter ya. What time does the surgery open? What time does the surgery open? Ki lè chirurgia ouvri? Ki lè chirurgia ouvri? I feel ill. I feel ill. Mwen senti mwen malade. Mwen senti mwen malade. I've got a bad headache. I've got a bad headache. Mwen gen yon vie tèt fè mal. Mwen gen yon vie tèt fè mal. I've got a pain in my chest. I've got a pain in my chest. Mwen gen doulè nan poitrine mwen. Mwen gen doulè nan poitrine mwen. My arm hurts. My arm hurts. Bra mwen ap fè mwen mal. Bra mwen ap fè mwen mal. I have diabetes. I have diabetes. Mwen gen diabète. Mwen gen diabète. I have allergies. I have allergies. Mwen gen allergie. Mwen gen allergie. I have a fracture. I have a fracture. Mwen gen yon fracture. Mwen gen yon fracture. I have an injury. I have an injury. Mwen gen yon blessé. Mwen gen yon blessé. I have a flu. I have a flu. Mwen gen yon grippe. Mwen gen yon grip. To hurt. To hurt. Fè mal. Fè mal. Blessé. Blessé. I hit my foot against the rock. Now my toes hurt me. I hit my foot against the rock. Now my toes hurt me. Mwen te frape pied mwen nan roche la. Kounye a, zotey mwen ap fè mwen mal. Mwen te frape pied mwen nan roche la. Kounye a, zotey mwen ap fè mwen mal. The knife hurts me. The knife hurts me. Koutoua blessé mwen. Koutoua blessé mwen. To itch. To itch. Gratter. Gratter. My whole body itches. My whole body itches. Tout kom ap gratter. Tout kom ap gratter. To bleed. To bleed. Fè sang. Fè sang. The wound is bleeding. The wound is bleeding. Malade la ou bien blessiya ap fè sang. Malade la ou bien blessiya ap fè sang. To cough. To cough. Tousse. Tousse. To cough. Tousse. To cough. Tousse. Put a hand in your mouth when you are coughing. Put a hand in your mouth when you are coughing. Mette yon men nan bouch ou le ou ap tousse. Mette yon men nan bouch ou le ou ap tousse. To sneeze. To sneeze. Esterner. Esterner. Please sneeze in a towel. Please sneeze in a towel. Tanpoui esterner nan yon serviette. Tanpoui esterner nan yon serviette. To fart. To fart. Péter. Faire vent. Faire vent. He farts all the time. I am sure he has a problem. He farts all the time. I am sure he has a problem. Li péter toutan. Mwen certain li gen yon problem. Li péter toutan. Mwen certain li gen yon problem. To vomit. To vomit. Vomi. I vomited a lot this morning. I vomited a lot this morning. Mwen te vomi an pil matin yan. Mwen te vomi an pil matin yan. The doctor prescribed me painkillers. The doctor prescribed me painkillers. Dokteya te preskri mwen antidouleur. Dokteya te preskri mwen antidouleur. I apply cream on my burn twice a day. I apply cream on my burn twice a day. Mwen pase crème sou boule mwen 2 fois par jour. Mwen pase crème sou boule mwen 2 fois par jour. I take some pills for the headache. I take some pills for the headache. Mwen pran komprime pou tèt fè mal la. Mwen pran komprime pou tèt fè mal la. They gave me an injection. They gave me an injection. Yo te ban mwen yon piki. Yo te ban mwen yon piki. I have a knee surgery tomorrow. I have a knee surgery tomorrow. I have a knee surgery tomorrow. Mwen gen yon operasyon nan genou demen. Mwen gen yon operasyon nan genou demen. The emergency room. The emergency room. Salle urgence nan. Salle urgence nan. The operation room. The operation room. Salle operasyon wan. Salle operasyon wan. The pharmacy. The pharmacy. Pharmacia. Pharmacia. The doctor. The doctor. Dokteya. Dokteya. The dentist. The dentist. Dentiste là. Dentiste là. The surgeon. The surgeon. Chirurgien. Chirurgien. The nutritionist. The nutritionist. Nutritionniste là. Nutritionniste là. The cardiologist. The cardiologist. Cardiologue là. Cardiologue là. The paramedic. The paramedic. Ambulancier. Ambulancier. The eye doctor. The eye doctor. Docteur Gia. Docteur Gia. An eye doctor is called ophthalmologist. An eye doctor is called ophthalmologist. Un docteur G relé ophtalmologiste. Un docteur G relé ophtalmologiste. The hospital. The hospital. The hospital. The ambulance. The ambulance. Ambulance là. Ambulance là. I need help. I need help. Mwen bezwen aide. Mwen bezwen aide. Call an ambulance, please. Call an ambulance, please. Relay yon ambulance, s'il vous plaît. Relay yon ambulance, tant pis. Take a 48 hours rest. Take a 48 hours rest. Prends yon repos 48 heures de temps. Prends yon repos 48 heures de temps. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. Bois un pile d'eau. Bois un pile d'eau. Do you have medical insurance? Do you have medical insurance? Ou gen assurance maladie? Ou gen assurance maladie? Take the antibiotics every 6 hours. Take the antibiotic every 6 hours. Prends antibiotique yo chaque 6 heures de temps. Prends antibiotique yo chaque 6 heures de temps. I need to make an appointment with the doctor. I need to make an appointment with a doctor. Mwen bezwen pren yon rendez-vous avec yon docteur. Mwen bezwen pren yon rendez-vous avec yon docteur. I had an accident. I had an accident. Mwen te fè yon accident. Mwen te fè yon accident. I'm sick. I'm sick. Mwen malade. Mwen malade. At the dentist. At the dentist. Kay dentiste la. Kay dentiste la. How may I help you? How may I help you? Ki jan mwen ka ede ou? Ki jan mwen ka ede ou? What problems that you are facing? What problems that you are facing? Ki problem ou genye? Ki problem ou genye? My problem is my mouth bleeds when I am brushing my teeth. My problem is my mouth bleeds when I'm brushing my teeth. Problem mwen se bouche mwen fè san lè mwen ap brose dan mwen. Problem mwen se bouche mwen fè san lè mwen ap brose dan mwen. Open your mouth, please. Let me see your teeth. Open your mouth, please. Let me see your teeth. Ouvre bouche ou tan pri. Kite mwen wè dan ou. Ouvre bouche ou tan pri. Kite mwen wè dan ou. Open it wider, please. Open it wider, please. Ouvre-le pilage tan pri. Ouvre-le pilage tan pri. I am going to make a thermal test to see what the problem is. I am going to make a thermal test to see what the problem is. I am going to make a thermal test to see what the problem is. Mwen pral fè yon test termik pou mwen wè ki sa problem nan ye. Mwen pral fè yon test termik pou mwen wè ki sa problem nan ye.